Mamannan movie summary in English. Let's begin. Mamannan is an MLA belonging to the Dalit community, who rose up the ranks from being a cadre of the Samthuva Samugnidhi Makkal Kangam in Salem district, Tamil Nadu. Mamannan's son Athiveeran alias Veera is a practitioner of Adimurai who stopped talking to his father owing to emotional and physical trauma caused by a casteist attack from members of the local dominant community in his childhood. Rathanvelu is the SSMK district secretary for Salem and younger son of late ex-minister Sundaram, from a dominant community. Rathanvelu had fought a hard fight after his father's death, using all means available to reach the position of district secretary, despite not holding a public office. Rathanvelu's brash, aggressive behavior often develops loggerheads with Mamannan. 3 months before elections, Rathanvelu's men destroy a free coaching center run by Veera's friends and his love interest Leela because it was affecting the business of a private coaching center run by Rathanvelu's elder brother Shanmugvel in his father's name. In retaliation, Veera and his friends destroy Rathanvelu's coaching center. Rathanvelu realizes that the issue might damage him inside the party and out, so he invites Mamannan and Veera to sort out this issue without further violence. At the meeting, Veera notices that Mamannan is standing while everyone else including Rathanvelu are sitting in chairs. Veera asks his father to sit down, where Rathanvelu remarks that Mamannan will never sit down in his house and that has been the tradition since forever. Veera continuously demands that Mamannan sits down. Rathanvelu gets enraged where he slaps Veera and pushes Mamannan, who intervened when his son is hit. An enraged Veera kicks down Rathanvelu in retaliation. Rathanvelu directs his men to beat up Mamannan and Veera where he runs to fetch his gun, but his wife Jyoti locks him inside the room to prevent further chaos. Veera beats up all the men who attack him and his father, and they leave. Rathanvelu plans to counterattack and kill Mamannan and Veeran, but is ordered to stay put by the Chief Minister Ka. Sindhanai Rajan. Unable to attack Mamannan and Veera, Rathanvelu unleashes his dogs into the pigpen of Veera, resulting in the death of all except one pig. Veera, Mamannan, and their friends and family are deeply hurt by this symbolic cruelty. Sindhanai Rajan orders Rathanvelu and Mamannan to come meet him at the party HQ in Chennai. He asks Rathnavale to apologize to Mamannan or forgo the party membership. Rathnavale quits from the party and joins the main opposite party MSSMK, Marumlarchi Samthuva Samugnidhi Makkal Kangam, with some of his followers. The sacking of a district secretary of the ruling party creates shock in the political scenario. Rathnavale nominates a candidate of his choice to compete against Mamannan, who is campaigning for a third term as an MLA. He even fields his wife Jyoti in his place for another constituency in order to fully direct his efforts to defeat Mamannan. Rathnavale challenges Mamannan that now that his support is not there, Mamannan will surely fail in the upcoming elections. A tight battle occurs during election campaign wherein Rathnavale tries to rally the support of all dominant castes against Mamannan. Rathnavale even kills a caste association head to create sympathy wave in favor of his candidate. All his plans succeed to some extent, but the youth of the constituency rebel against Rathnavale dictating whom each street should vote for. In the ensuing elections, Mamannan wins by a big margin and Rathnavale is left humbled and failed. The SSMK is re-elected to power, and Mamannan is made the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly. Veera and Leela continue to be engaged in their grassroots level social welfare activities.